Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Viking 6-seater. We've installed a bunch of accessories on here. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the machine. This is the full cab kit from DFK. This cab kit is amazing. There is so much feature going on with this cab kit. You do have the hard roof on there and the full doors that you can see all the way to the bottom. You're not limiting your view like every other cab kit out there. How does it work? You do have the ability to lock and unlock the doors, you can see. Does have the mirrors on there. Nice tight seal along the door. You've got a gas strut on there to keep the door open. Your grab handle to pull the door shut. And the windows all slide. Pull on that and you can slide it open, get you some airflow in the cab. And you've got a nice lever to open up the door from the inside. We've installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on there as well. Great addition. With this window, you also have windshield wiper kit with washer fluid. This windshield can open in multiple positions. You can kick it open a few inches or all the way. We've also installed the Warren winch on there. You can see the remote there. And heater kit. Yes, we have successfully installed a heater kit on a Viking 6, you guys. They don't make a kit for it, but we made a kit for it. We made it work. There's your winch in and out also. You can hear the low fan speed on the heater kit now. And high. We've got the defrost ducts up front. Very nice. And in the back, the rear doors open and close the same way. They do spring open. Makes it easy to get in and out of the vehicle. And the back window, also a nice sealed off fit. This baby is going to keep the elements out. If you're looking for a cab kit to keep all the elements out, this kit is for you. We do have them for sale here at Big Pine Sports, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Also, you see the Yamaha plow system on there. Manufactured by Warren. What we love about this plow system, it is heavy duty. This baby is meant to plow some snow. Perfect setup. 435-427-3338. Again, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. And as always, have a great day, everybody.